Welcome to the informal newscast of bilingual investing called Crypto Climate. Jay here with you guys today, presenting the climatic pulse and forecasts of the markets during the past week. But guys, before we get started, just briefly, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, make sure you guys click on the subscribe button right here. Click on the notification bell to stay tuned for our fresh, off the press, brand new videos. And don't forget to like this video if you enjoy this type of content. And we also have free educational videos for you in a link in the description down below to our educational playlist. Immediately, we start off with the Fear and Greed Index, currently at 23. Yesterday, we were at 22, as we can see here. And again, guys, all we did was made a lower high. Here we had a high and then a lower high here on the Crypto Fear and Greed Index for Bitcoin. And, you know, we failed to make a new high. So what did we do? We came right back down here to our support level of around that 20 area. So it's key. We're going to either rebound and try and make a new high here, new local high, or we're going to break down and probably go towards that 10 level in the next couple of days, you know, or in the next couple of weeks. So we will definitely keep you guys informed. Immediately we go to the charts. Jay, what's going on with technical analysis after we had, you know, this major crash? What's next? Well, you know, at least for now, we're currently at around $16,582 per Bitcoin. So that's Bitcoin's price. Currently today, we have a bearish negative red candle, and we're just stuck in this range between the support level of $15,903 and the resistance of $17,619. So in the next couple of days, we're gonna definitely keep, you know, our eyes on Bitcoin to see what it's going to decide to do. So again, today's video is more about Jay. We had a crash recently. You know, first we had this crash, now we have a more recent crash, which we could be in the middle of it or it could be over, right? So what's next, Jay? What's next? You know, in our channel, we keep it simple. It's all about support and resistance mainly. That's about it. Horizontal lines that price interacts with, and we keep it simple. Right now, we're currently, you know, in this range between $13,700 and $18,500 on the weekly level, right? So we just pierced through right now. This candle is important because it's a confirmation candle. If we don't get above the $18,500 level, give or take, you know, on this weekly candle, then maybe next week, maybe on what, Jay? Based on probabilities. What I mean is that there'll be a higher probability that we continue towards the downside, but we're gonna have to continue monitoring the charts. If we go back, we do see that previously, again, we have the $10,000 level, which is pivotal, the $11,800, $12,000 level, and then the 13.7K are key horizontal support for Bitcoin's price historically, going back all the way, you know, back to the previous cycle. So, you know, what's next, Jay? This is what I want you guys to keep in mind. These next three levels, again, on a macro level, it's not tomorrow, it's not next week. If we continue going down, those are the three key support levels that I would keep my eyes on as Bitcoin goes down, because they prove key support levels, you know, going back to last cycle. So the first one would be that 13.7K. You know, keep your eyes on that price like a hawk. Then we move on to the DXY again. You know, for the DXY, we broke out, you know, under key pivotal levels recently last week. You know, with this trend line here, we had an uptrend, you know, for the calendar year of 2022. Guys, when you see, you know, long-term uptrend, you know, or trend lines being broken, then usually that's like the first sign of things to come. But these things take time to play out. I'm not talking about again tomorrow, next week, but in a couple of months, probably most likely we'll see this breaking point play out, you know, at a bigger, you know, more macro level, if you would say. Probably try and come down here to the 100 level, you know. So we're gonna monitor the DXY, the Dixie for you. The dollar's losing, you know, strength right now. You know, we broke in again. The support was 108.31. We broke that too, and you know, the next one is 105. So, you know, we'll definitely keep our eyes on the DXY as well. Guys, if you haven't done so already, make sure you guys swing by our Twitter, follow us. We would gladly appreciate it. We provide great quality crypto content over there. Guys, the top 5 cryptocurrencies in the world and their performance in the last 7 days. We start immediately with Bitcoin. BTC the king, currently at around $16,585, down 2.22%. Number 2, we have Ethereum, currently at around $1,214, up 4%. in the week. Not bad. Number 3, BNB, currently at $272, down 5.14%. Number 4, XRP, the scam, currently at around 37 cents, up 3.57%. And then we have Cardano to round it off, at 33 cents a pop, down 4.87%. And we see Doge is right there, man. Doge is right next to Cardano, trying to get that top 5 position back. Then we have the best performance for the past week. We start with Trust Wallet token at around $2.15, up 100% in 7 days. Some coins do take advantage of centralized exchanges, going down, lack of trust, things of that nature. These decentralized exchanges, they take advantage of that. Number 2, GMX as well, at around $40, up 33.30%. Number 3, the restaurant coin, Chili's, currently at around 22 cents, up 31%. Man. Number 4, Lido DAO at $1.21, up 15%. And then number 5, we have Ton coin, currently at around $1.77, up 15.56%. Then we move on to the top 5 worst performing assets for the past week or 7 days. Start off with Huobi token. Again, a centralized exchange. Those are struggling recently, as we can see with the top 2 here. Their centralized exchanges, it hasn't been an easy week for them. So $4.70, down 25%. Number 2, Kronos, formerly Crypto.com, currently at around that's 7 cents, down 25%, give or take a couple of percentage points. Number 3, Decentraland Mana Metaverse coin. It's currently at around 43 cents, down 15.85%. Number 4, Casper, at around that's almost 3 pennies, down 13.92. That's down 14%. Number 5, Helium, the balloon coin, currently at around $2.41, down 13.61% for the past 7 days or for the past week. Guys, if you enjoy this type of content, don't forget to check out our website in the description down below, where you can find tools and resources that you might need in your cryptocurrency journey. Again, if you enjoy this content, like this video, don't forget to subscribe, click on the notification bell, for our fresh off the press brand new videos and a free cryptocurrency educational playlist in the link in the description below. Thank you so much for your time and attention. Hope you guys have a good one.